Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are going to give you a tour of the central boardwalk area and show you everything new on the boardwalk in 2024, including some new construction, some extensions to the boardwalk, as well as a new mural. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you with us. So we are actually on the boardwalk that I think a lot of people don't realize is the boardwalk. The boardwalk's not just that central area. It actually runs 1.2 miles. But we've got some big news about an extension to the boardwalk, which we will talk about a little later when we get to that point. But in the meantime, we wanted to show you this new construction. If you've been with us a while, we have been showing you this construction as it unfolds. We actually did a perimeter walk of this entire building looking for a permit so we could give you more details about what it is, but there is no permit, unfortunately. We didn't see a permit anywhere, but they have made a huge amount of progress since our last update, and our original guess of what it's going to be looks like it's correct. So we'll show you that, and if you're new, we'll make sure to fill you in on everything because this is a primo location. We are right here at the beach, beach access just right here. I mean, it's gorgeous. So this is going to be an amazing location for this building. And those of you who have known about Myrtle Beach for a long, long time, you're very familiar with how long this sat just basically a vacant lot with just sort of a rough structure around it. Well, now you can tell it's what we predicted. It's a bunch of condos. These on the end are going to be amazing because they're going to have those huge windows, huge wraparound balconies. Looks like condos in the middle. Again, this is all subject to change. We're still speculating since there's no permit. And then there's decks down here, but from both the Ocean Boulevard's right there, right straight ahead, both on the Ocean Boulevard side, as well as on this side, you can tell it's going to be individual businesses. So some will probably be shops, some will probably be restaurants. We'll have to see when they open. But this is some pretty exciting news because this has been, like I said, it was vacant a long time. Then the building's been going on for a long time. It looks stalled for a while, but now obviously they're picking back up again. If you're interested in what's new in Myrtle Beach in general and not just the boardwalk area, we have a video where we go into all the exciting details about what's coming this year to Myrtle Beach and beyond. So definitely check that out in our links below in the description. Also, I want to mention we get a lot of questions about parking down here at the boardwalk area because they can get quite pricey, especially in the summer. And we have a video where we cover all your parking options. I think a lot of people only think of that giant parking deck that's sort of right there, and they also think of parking on the street, but there's far more options than that. A lot of times that parking deck is actually the most expensive place to park. There are closer lots that are sort of right behind that Ripley's building on the street right back there, and we show you all of those. They're privately owned, so some of them are cheaper. And then we also show you where you can park for free. Yes, free, if you don't mind walking a little bit. So definitely check that video out. I'll link that in the description below. So we are heading into what most people think of as the centralmost area of the boardwalk. And right up here, there is a brand new mural, and it's really cool. I actually think it's great, and it's a great if you want to get your photo for social media, that kind of thing. They've actually got a lot of photo ops here. They're not brand new, but I'll show you those as we walk by as well. But this is definitely a new one. Oh, look at that ocean. It is beautiful. There's nothing like that fresh salt air and palm trees. I don't care if it's still a little cool today. There's just nothing like it. It never gets old. I never get tired of it. It rejuvenates me. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way about that. If it's something that, you know, just calls to your soul. So here's one of, this is not brand new, but here is a photo op you can check out with these turtles. And it's right, so the turtles are a good landmark because this new mural is literally right across from the turtles and right next to Dirty Don's. So right over here is the new mural. You belong at the beach. So if you're not aware, Myrtle Beach has a new-ish advertising campaign where they're calling, instead of saying Myrtle Beach, they're calling it The Beach. And so this is really neat though, and I think the artist that did this is local. He signed it right down there, and there's his tag if you want to look him up. But this is fantastic, and painted on top of brick at that. So really great job, and so that's a fun place to get a photo with you or your family. So also, a lot of you said you like Dirty Don's. We have not eaten there, but definitely mention that since a lot of you like it. We do have a video on the Fun Plaza and also on the Gay Dolphin, which we're going to pass. We go inside and show the whole thing. So if you're interested in those, you can check that out. And I'm not going to link them below, but all you have to do to find videos on our channel is go to our main channel page. So just click on our icon and search at the top of our channel page for our videos, and they'll pop right up for you. All right, here is another fun photo op. So cute. I love this one. This one, and there's one more down here, are my favorites. Those, again, are not brand new, but they're within the last year, so they're still pretty new. And as we get down here, further down towards the Skywheel, I'm going to talk about a big deal with the boardwalk. At least to me, I think it's pretty exciting. So I'll share that as well. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up or a like. That really helps us because it helps other people find our videos. So we greatly appreciate that. There's New York style pizza, all kinds of stuff. Here's a second arcade besides Fun Plaza. So there's all kinds of entertainment here on the boardwalk. Here's another photo op, again within the last year. That one's pretty. Still not my favorite though, I'll show you that when we get to it. So here's Gay Dolphin, that I mentioned is a multi-level, massive gift shop. So definitely worth checking out if you've never been. I remember it from my childhood. It's been here for quite a while, quite a long time. It predates me. And here's the new seating-ish, newish, again, not brand new, but you may not have been here since they pulled the old benches out and added these little circles. There you got Boardwalk Beachwear. And then right across from Moon's, which is a restaurant over here, you've got my favorite of the photo ops. I love this one. I love the little octopus. So cute. Love the castle, sand castle. Really cute. So we are going to circle around. This is not anywhere near the end. We are going to circle around and show you the attractions that are on Ocean Boulevard, including some that just opened last year. So if you haven't been here in a bit, they'll be new to you. But while we're here at the Skywheel, I want to talk about the expansion. They're going to expand the boardwalk. The boardwalk actually goes quite a ways in this direction. You can just keep going. I know it looks like it ends, but it doesn't. It winds around to the pier there and continues on, but they are actually going to extend it down to around 17th Avenue North because of the new Jimmy Buffett. Oh, we got a kitty. The new Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville Resort is going in around 17th Avenue North in that general area. So they're going to extend the boardwalk down to that area. So that's going to make it even longer. So that is super exciting news. Highly recommend the Skywheel. If you want to see what a ride on that's like, we have a video in the description below. That is one of our favorite attractions here. The views are incredible. It's fun to do during the day, but it's fun to do at sunset. Beautiful views of the sunset. We have a video of the sunset as well. You can search for that on our channel. But I want to bring you around here to the side, show you one super important thing, and then also show you the new attractions that opened last year. So they're fairly new. So you may, like I said, you may not have seen them yet if you haven't been here in a while. And also we have videos on all those attractions, so you can look if you want to see the inside of them and see what they look like. So directly across from the Skywheel, this is the really important thing I was going to mention. We get this question all the time. Right across from the Skywheel there are public restrooms. And they are the only public restrooms I'm aware of. I know a lot of people say, well, you can go to the arcade, you can go here, you can go there. Yes, I know you can go in businesses, but I'm talking about truly public, like it's completely okay even if you're not a customer. Here is Myrtle Beach Fries. A lot of you have said you love their food. It's like affordable, sort of fair, I would call it fair style food, like what you would expect at the fair. But tons of you have said you love it, so got to give them a shout out. Now this truck parked in an unfortunate location because some of the stuff I want to show you is behind that truck. So I will get in front of the truck and look back to show you what they have there. Also, here's Hi-Fi Coffee because one of the other coffee bars here closed. So here's where you can come to get a coffee fix. But if you walk a little further north behind me, there's also a Starbucks. So here are the new things. Ripley's Illusion Lab opened last year. Ripley's Crazy Golf opened last year. Ripley's Haunted Adventure got a complete retheme. It's like a murder mystery type thing. And it is scary, and we do have a video of it. It's quite scary inside, and I think that's one of the only Ripley's attractions that has an age limit. Check their website, but you do have to be of a certain age to go in that. And then Ripley's Mirror Maze, they added a little bit to it. And it looks like the sidewalk ends, so we're gonna flip over to the other side. We are back with you on the other side. Also, if you want to see anything new, including that building we showed, you want to see the progress and find out what businesses are coming next, definitely hit that subscribe button because we cover everything Myrtle Beach. We put 2 videos out every week, all new stuff. So we're showing you everything that's new and exciting. We cover everything from entertainment to restaurants to shopping and everything in between. And we're always open to ideas. You can leave those suggestions below in the comments. We always like to hear from you and hear what you would like to see next. So here's the other side of the Fun Plaza that I mentioned. And right next to that is Peach's Corner. Peach's Corner is sort of an icon here. It's been around since I think 1939, which is a long time ago. I think it's even before the city of Myrtle Beach was incorporated. So it's definitely an icon here. They have all different kinds of food there, you know, like burgers and sandwiches and hot dogs and that kind of thing. And plus that and the Myrtle Beach fries are probably going to be your places to go to if you like hot dogs, because the Nathan's hot dogs that was down here was demolished. So that's no longer here. And we'll talk about some new stuff that's coming up in that area where Nathan's was in just a minute, because we got some exciting news there. But here is the Ripley's Auditorium. Again, we have a video of that on our channel if you'd like to see more of that. It's definitely unique, definitely something that's worth checking out. So straight ahead here in this big open field, that is where the Pavilion Amusement Park used to be a long time ago. Unfortunately, that was demolished. And we are still sad about that, by the way. But I wanted to talk about what is in that area and what the city plans to do with that area. So I'm gonna pause here so we can talk about that. So the Nathan's that I mentioned that was demolished was right over there across that field. They do use this field for events like the Food Truck Festival, Barbecue Festival, the Strongest Man competition, the Country Music Festival. So they use it for all kinds of festivals. But what they are now planning to do, Myrtle Beach has been systematically, I'm talking about the city, buying up properties, not just in this block, but in like 3-block radius in this area. And they are planning to create what they're comparing to the Market Common. Again, we have a video of that. It's a shopping and entertainment district. So they said there will still be room, I think, for festivals, but they're also planning to add some places to live, some places to shop, some entertainment. So very, very excited to see what they have next there. If you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach, be sure to click on the video that's on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.